This is how to turn off message request on Instagram. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top and then click on the settings and privacy. Once you are there in the settings and privacy of your account, now here you have to scroll down and go to the notification option, and once you are there, now here you have to click on it to open it. Then here, as you can see that you will be able to view these options, you have to simply click on the message request and then click on the off option to turn it off. Now you can simply turn off all of these settings if you want to. To turn off these settings as well, you have to follow the same procedure. So that's how to turn off message requests on Instagram.